Hi everyone, my topic is personalized experience and I am trying to personalize the user experience to going to restaurants. The data set that I am using is from Kaggle. It has 5 million rows and 73 columns. The for visualization I'm using a BI tool called Spotfire. Spotfire is a very good BI tool where you can upload your data and visualize it. So if you look at the data right now, I uploaded my data. It clearly gives an idea that lot of gender is missing and a lot of location type is missing. So it's a very quick and easy way to visualize your data. I have created some dashboards for it. I will send you guys the link. You guys can access and play around with the data if you fancy it. Now let's go to the code. In code, as I mentioned, I had 5 million rows and 73 columns in the main data set, in the test data set. I'm clearly not using all of it, so I'm dropping all the rows with the missing values, and I'm dropping all the uh, columns which are not necessary for my prediction. And there are a lot of numerical columns, so column like ratings have missing values. If I clean up my data and if still the ratings are missing, I'm replacing those rating with the average value of the rating. And also columns like gender and gender are string indexed for machine learning algorithm. How I am making prediction is a twofold. I am using collaborative filtering and I am using content-based recommendation. So collaborative filtering essentially means if one customer goes to 5 restaurant and other customer goes to 10 restaurant and they both like the same thing, then the 5 restaurant the first customer didn't go to will be recommended to customer number one. So if you look at the code here, there are a lot of data pre-processing. I divided my code into pre-processing, cleaning, and recommendation. So this is pre-processing steps. A whole bunch of pre-processing like time division. I'm doing if what time restaurants open at, if it's opens in morning, afternoon, noon, and creating a flag for morning, afternoon, and evening, leveraging pandas and Python and Spark obviously. Counting how many missing values are there. So these are all part of the data processing and cleaning. And then this is a collaborative filtering piece of it. In collaborative filtering, we have a very good ML library from Spark called ALS, which basically gives you a very clean and easy way to make predictions. So I'm making prediction for a customer, a whole bunch of code here to make prediction. So essentially, these are the prediction for the customer which I enter over here. This is the string index of the customer, and I did a join to make the prediction. So here you go. We have the customer recommendation. What would be good in the future scope? I would like to have a web application where you can add customer number and make a recommendation for that. The other one is the content based recommendation. So in content base, I'm using TF-IDF and using making recommendation using that. And I made recommendation using two different data sets, like pre-process my data even more to make better recommendations. And yeah, thank you so much.